Okay, this is 11F and appears to be an improperly installed HVAC system or a problem with the controller, something of that nature. This is the upstairs thermostat set on 70. It's in heat mode. Temperature is 68. As soon as you step into the stairwell, you can feel it's colder. The downstairs is significantly colder. So this thermostat is also in heat mode, set on 70. It's 51 downstairs. And the outside AC unit, the compressor is running. And when you check the temperatures at the registers, this one is 42. That's the air coming out. That was 43. 43. So this is supposed to be a dual zone system. So one HVAC system that can provide either heat or cold upstairs or downstairs, but the heat and the heat and air conditioning cannot be running at the same time. So that's certainly miswired or a controller issue. And how we're getting just cold air downstairs and hot air upstairs, I don't see how that can work, but that's going to need to be investigated and addressed.